Alright guys, little job today. Pretty much season is slowing down now. Coming to the end of the edge cutting season. I love my own stuff on the farm, but customer jobs. Quick haircut on here, quick trim on these two bushes. I'll try out my my steps. I haven't used them yet on a job, so be a good test for them. And trim this one by here as well. Just give this a bit of a short back and sides. Put a net down first so that it's easier to clean up without going in all the chip-ins. Let me get on it now. Like I said, I'm looking forward to trying this out because in theory it should work good. But, we'll try it now. I find a lot of people make a mistake, they don't tidy up the bottoms. And with this cornifer like this, they'll go up and down I find. Just keep going up all the time, don't get behind them, like that there. You'll come back down and take it off again. It might take 2 skims or 2 coats around. I'll do the bottom now, show what I mean. Always tidy up the bottom. I think it's just as important as the top. Yeah, so up and down motion works great on stuff like this, on these conifers. Don't know if you see a few of these, because you can see at one time I took a lot off to try to create the shape. It will fill back. Don't take a load, mind, go past the leaf, because you know what it's like, quite easily kill it. So you can see what I'm trying to get, ball effect on the top. Shapes coming in and as I'm going up. I've just shown the sides now, just quickly run round. That's 100%. Clean up the bottom, like I said, very important. Bottom edge, just important as the rest. This little round a bit more over there. Get there now. Turned into a nice day today. The sun's in my eyes a bit, going that way. But there we are, you can see what I'm trying to do. Go around another stage like it is. Oh, it's overheating. That's strange. Yeah, so I do it in stages, as you can see. I haven't used the long reach yet. That's just all off a normal handheld. I'll see how far I get on my ladder now. I might even do the whole job with this now. I'll try the ladder out now. So I'll just try the ladder out. Couldn't do that before. Look, up on the wall and tight to the bottom of there. Safe. I think my edge trimmer's on his way out. Smoking terrible. It's done so much work for me this year, though. Can't fault it. Let's take another one. Well, there we are. That's pretty much there. Just blow it off. All the cut strands. But I've done all that with just that handheld. But before I'd have to get the long reach on that. But that's that ladder, you just saw that. That worked really good. Well happy with that. I'll just do before and after on this one. Pretty much. There we are. This is good to get that. Broke through in little bits. The time that's all cleaned up on the bottom. Like I said, clean up on the bottom with the trimmer. It's just important on the bottoms are. Like I said, a few little holes, but they'll fill back up. So them two done. Other than the clean up. This one now, it's a bit more work this one. I've done this once. Was it last year or even the year before? We cut it back completely brown. Really give it a big cut back we did. I've done all that. That ladder was brilliant. So I've done all that with the handheld. When I see people using long reach on everything, to puzzle me, what are they doing it for? Anyway, that's just me maybe. I set up my netting, catch all the offcuts. There we are, that's that one done. Happy enough with that. I'll do till next year. Cleaning up now. There we are guys, it's done. Happy with that, customer's happy. That's that one there. Check out my channel for weekly uploads. I'll be doing lots more service stuff soon on the two-stroke equipment. All that kind of videos coming up. There we are, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.